I wish to share to the committee that the chair is in receipt of request to do the voting on the sufficiency in substance of De Jesus complaint on our succeeding meeting, that is tomorrow. The reason is to give time to the members of the committee to ponder, decipher, evaluate all the comments and opinions we've heard today. So, if all the members are amenable to that, contrary to what we did yesterday, we concluded our deliberation already about the sufficiency in substance of the Jesus complaint, but we will be voting on this tomorrow afternoon after we are done with our deliberation on the sufficiency of substance of the Maza et al. Complaint. We wish to seek also the understanding of the endorsers and even the complainants in Maza et al. Complaint. Medyo naging exhaustive po ang ating discussion, and we want to give time to the members of the committee to recharge, to have a fresh mind when they listen to the manifestation of position of the endorsers of the Maza et al. Complaint. So, on that point, if the endorsers and the complainants as well as the members are all amenable, we will be listening to the manifestation of position on sufficiency and substance of Maza et al. Complaint tomorrow, that is Wednesday, and we will be voting on the sufficiency in substance of both the De Jesus complaint and the Maza et al. Complaint tomorrow as well. Do all the members agree to that? If so, if there are no other matters you would like to discuss in today's hearing, then the chair is suspending our today's hearing until tomorrow, February 4, 2026, 10 o'clock in the morning. The members present today are considered informed in today's hearing. Our hearing is suspended.